All right, starting with Shopify partner, you are going to click create a store. Obviously, you already have an account. And then I'm going to click client transfer. This is the type of store we're making down below that I sold. And the client gave me her store name that she wanted me to create. So I put that for the store name. And then you'll want to select the country where they're located. And then you'll click create store. And then from there, we're going to build the store. Yes, we have to make each store, but they are pre-built. Like I already have templates. I use my own theme and templates. Then once you're on the Shopify homepage, you'll click online store and we're going to upload the zip file. This is how I am uploading it. If you get my Shopify website reseller kit, you get to get our bestseller theme template. So check that out, link in the description. But this is just how I upload my own theme template. And I already have the logo pre-made in Canva. And yeah, if you get a Shopify reseller kit from me, if you get that kit, it'll include like the logo, the website theme, and the pictures and stock photos as well. So after I add the logo, I'm going to go ahead and use my own banners that I made. Like I said, this is pre-built websites. You can sell this over and over and over. So that's pretty much what I've been doing. I probably make new websites once every 3 or 4 months. And then from there, I just keep selling the same ones. So from there, you're just going to see me upload the banners and the stock photos from my desktop. And now that we have all the banners and stock photos, we're going to add the collection photos. You'll go back to Shopify homepage, click products and then collections, and press pause if you need to. But yeah, from there, we're just going to go ahead and upload the collection cover photos, which I already also have made. You just want to add the title and then add the picture from your desktop. And I'll show you guys how to do that 2 times. And then I will click create another collection and you add how many ever you would like to add. But so this is a template with like 5 collections. So I'm pretty much just adding all the photos and everything. And going back to the online store, click the pencil so we can edit the website, the theme, and then that's pretty much it. So I pretty much already synced the template. Now from here, the next step will be to sync the dropshipping hair vendor because this is a pre-built dropshipping hair store. So that will be in the next video for the membership. Like I said, be sure you get the Shopify website reseller kit. It is very helpful, comes with guides and tutorials. And yeah, let me know any questions y'all do have.